It's crucial to start your day with a healthy breakfast. In this video, I'm gonna share some opinions from plant-based experts on their personal breakfast meals. Let's dive into it immediately. Hi, welcome back to Healthy Palace. My name is Shireen. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. The first one is from Dr. Shireen Kassam, who is a plant-based health professional from UK. She shared, the best breakfast has to be oats, whether hot cooked oats or overnight cold soaked oats or still cut oats, it will do fine. And you can add some fruits like berries and some seeds like flax seeds. So she said you will never go wrong if you eat oats, berries, and some sort of seeds. The next is Dr. Cyrus Khambatta, a PhD in nutritional biochemistry. He shared that his favorite plant-based breakfast of all time is a large acai bowl. He will include in that bowl an acai frozen packet and blend with things like bananas to make it ice cream-like of that kind of consistency. And then on top of that, add a bunch of fruits like mangoes, papayas, bananas, and lots of dates. It's fresh and cold and it tastes great and satisfying. Another one is from Dr. Pamela Popper, who is the president of Wellness Forum Health. She shared her favorite 365-day breakfast is a smoothie that is made of almond milk, vegetable powders, banana, frozen fruit, and ground flax seeds, and some food-grade green tea. In addition to that, she also eats 2 pieces of acai bread toast with fat-free hummus. It's a lot of calories, so it will make a great breakfast if you have a morning routine exercise. The fourth one is from Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, MD, who is the author of Prevent and Reserve Heart Disease. The breakfast he almost always had and will have is an old-fashioned Quaker oatmeal with raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, and some raisins, a banana, and oat milk. He says it really holds him. The last opinion I gathered is from Dr. Joe Khan, who is an MD and a cardiologist. He said it is fairly important not to skip the breakfast, and when the luxury permits, it's gonna be a big bowl of oatmeal with fresh or frozen blueberries, walnuts, and the spices you like, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves. He said it will be a steak, but it will be wonderful. I also want to share my own breakfast idea, which I developed over time. I found it very tasty and it energizes me during the day. The ingredients I use are oatmeal, soy milk, sorted nuts, and blueberries. And the way I make it is pretty simple too. I just heat up the oatmeal with soy milk, then add the low-sweet cereal, nuts, and fruit. Then I just enjoy it. I hope these breakfast ideas will add some creativity to your breakfast meal. But feel free to share which is your favorite in the comment below, or you can share your own plant-based breakfast ideas. I hope you have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.